Hello viewers, in this video I will try to explain the account management system and the payroll. In the previous video we checked the all modules detail which is provided by Education Technologies. Like they provide more than 19 modules. You can go their website and check all modules, and then the reports. There is a lot of reports in their management system. So today I will try to explain just two modules, which is account management system and the payroll management system. So I will come to the account management system. So here is the fee types. First of all, you need to set your fee types, like what kind of fees your school have, like annual fee, hostel fee, library or school fee. You just need to add new fees. If you have a different one, you can delete these ones. All fees you have, you just need to go there in add new button and just add your new fees head and the amount which you I will show you, like school fee new one, and its amount is like 5,000. You just add it and it will be save. You can check your head which you create. School fee new, you can enable or disable their status. Okay, and then if some parent come and want to give you a school fee, you just need to go in invoice and add new button, click the add new button. Then if you know the registration number of the student, you need to put here, or you can search by student, by class. Like I know a student is in grade 1 and his section is A, and you can choose a student. Like if I choose this one, then okay, if you if this student have the previous some balances, these will be shown here. I will try to show you some, like this one have like previous balance history which he didn't pay properly complete. So you need to check which fees you are gonna take. Like school fee new, the amount which is set is 5,000. If you wanna give some discount, you can give, like I will give 500 discount and 500 waiver. Then the net amount will be 4,000. If he is going to give me like 3,500, I can collect. Then the due amount is 500. I can choose the payment method and then save and print, add and print. Then the receipt will be generated. I can print this receipt from the printer, or I can save it in PDF and then give to the parents. How much he is going to pay, how much discount, how much waiver, all information is in this receipt. I just print it, or I just cancel it and add payment only. Payment is added in the system, and the due amount is shown here. I can go back in invoice and check the student. This student will have a 500 more due amount section, and the student is Abdul Salam. So the 500 is again added in the previous balance. So then there is other module, sub module is head. Except the fees, the all type of receipt you need to generate, you can save that head in fee type. But if you just want to add or save the other expenses or income, you just go to the head and create their head, like discount head, hostel, employee salary, tea expense, utility bills, and these all kind of heads you just need to add in here. If that is like some uniform fine could be a head, and that could be a income. because fine is a income for the schools, and the T expense is a expense. You just need to set it as expense. If you don't need these one, you can delete them, you can add your new one. And then if you want to there is some income head which is going to generate, you just need to add in, go to income module, and then press the add new button, and then check. My internet is working slow. You just go there and select your head, like hostel library, which had all head will be shown here, which is income type. You just set the income like 300 library, fine, you can say road library, anything. You just set 300, and then the total amount is 300. You just check the payment type, and then add it, just add it. It will be saved in the system. Okay. And then if it is a expense type, you need to go in expense module, and then press add new button, and then choose the expense head. Like T expense, and set the amount like 500 expense is held. You just choose the payment method cash, and then add that head. If you want to add some note, you can also add note here, that will be saved. Then the budget, if you want to set some budget for these all heads, you can set the budget like 5,000 per month could be take. Then no one could save more than that amount. Then the next module is payroll. In payroll, you can set the employee salaries. First of all, you need to set the salary template, like what kind of salaries your school is give, like basic salary, emergency, medical. If you have only basic salary, you can delete these one. If you have some any other kind of salary, you can add that from here. And then you can set employee salary by individually. You need to set each employee salaries here. If you want to add more, you can add, press the add button, and then set the other employee salaries here. Then the salaries, there is three kind of salaries. I just create the template. If what is the net salary, you can see here. And if the month is come, you need to pay the salaries to the employees. You just go to payment method and make a payment. You just pick a employee like Mr. Hassan, and today's date, and which month salary you are gonna pay. Like I am gonna pay him April salary. Then the amount is, his net amount is 12,000. He didn't withdraw, or any, there is no any deduction types. So if you want to give half salary, or less salary than he have, you can give, like I can give him 5,000, and then save. It's April salary. I just give him 5,000. If again I try to give him a salary of April, it shows like 5,000. You gave him 5,000 before. Now I couldn't give him more than 7,000. If I try to give him 12,000, the system will generate an error. Please enter a value less than or equal to 7,000. I couldn't give him more than 7,000. I need to give him less than 7,000. So I just gave him 7,000. That is a payroll module. Thank you.